So it's definitely time to take off my glass screen protector and put on the iCares screen protector for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. You can grab these on Amazon. This is a matte screen protector for them, so we'll go ahead and put this on here. You can open it by just giving it a little pull tab right there. Or you can just do like this. Now, iCares is a company that I've bought a lot of screen protectors from. They just it's just a good company to buy my screen protectors from. But I like their packaging. I like how they do business. I like them. So you get it's neatly packaged too. It's just nice. So they give you all this stuff right here, microfiber cloths, all this, and screening. I don't really want to go into all that. What I want to do is actually just start putting this on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off my iPhone. And I'll just use this to help stabilize the phone. This is a 3-pack. One, two, three. So I'll take one out and we'll get this thing going. So there's a tempered glass on here that is a privacy glass. So it can be reused. I won't destroy it. Hopefully I can get it off easy enough to where I don't destroy it. Because this has actually been taken on and off a couple of times. Because since it's privacy glass, you can't really see any damage to it. This was also purchased on Amazon as well a while back. So we'll get it all cleaned up here. Get a nice wet alcohol pad. Wipe here. I make sure we really got to get it cleaned. You don't want to have any dirt on this thing because you will be frustrated if you do. Once you get some dirt under there, it's a wrap. You know, holding this under the light, I can actually see the borders of the screen. Never really paid much attention to that, but I can really see it. The privacy glass was cool and everything, but I was over it. I like matte screen protectors are where it's at. I recently put one on my Tab S7 Plus, and I absolutely love it. No fingerprints, no smudges, no nothing. I really like screen protectors that have the free guide. Well, it's not free. They put the guide in the box. Really love those. I'm really trying to make sure I get this really clean. I'm not trying to drag this video out because I don't like to waste these screen protectors. So off with number one. You'll know if you get a good install. The one reason I use iCares is because their protectors are a little thicker. I really like how they feel. Might have a little, nope, no dirt. I thought I had some dirt under there. It looks like those are air pockets. It's a little crooked on the bottom. It's a little shifted that way, but I'm not too much worried about it. Let's go back. It's a little crooked that way. Let's turn it on real quick. And you'll be able to see the screen. The reason I know it's a little, I mean, it's just a smidgen. I'm being very critical right now. Because you're probably thinking, Jay, you got two more in there. Yeah, but again, this isn't the only iPhone 12 Pro Max in the house. So I want to be mindful. So you can kind of see there. Let's unlock it real quick here. All right, so now you can see the border. So it's on pretty good. It's shifted a little bit that way. All right, so let's get it off here. When you peel, you really want to make sure that you don't peel too quick, because it'll lift. And that, my friends, is the reason that I like the iCares. Look at that. This is a plastic screen protector, but it's on the thicker side. And I'm telling you, this is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's a thick screen protector, but it's still nice. And we get in here. You can see. There it is. Now, I did have some other guides, some older guides that were kind of laying around. But I wanted to just go ahead and do this real time for you, just to show you, you know, if you're that person who doesn't like to read instructions, I am too. So here it is, man. iPhone 12 Pro Max now back on the mat. That's just a beautiful, that's just, mic check. There's a beautiful, beautiful installation. I'm getting a little better, folks, a little better. I like that. What do you think? That is just gorgeous. There's a spotlight for you. You can see. No, nothing. Flawless victory.